Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have add column in database table to store dynamic icon and color, and in this video we will add the fields within the controller to pass information to the database and retrieve information from database to front end. So we have this controller and it will inserting data from default controller. So we need to go to the copy this insert links, go to default controller, search where it is. So it is here, and now we need to add parameters here as links icon and links icon color, and same here links icon and icon color, and that's it. So it will send data to the database. Okay, and now we will add this parameter within the store procedure, and here we have store procedure here menu and modify. Okay, so let's see what filter we are using. Insert manual links, and here we have it. Add links icon, links icon color, add parameter and add these parameter here above. And that's it. Now execute once, it's completed. Execute the whole application once, and let's see how it's work. Okay, so here it is, manual links, new query, select all from menu links. Okay, and here you can see we have this one as the admin sidebar. Okay, so this is admin sidebar. This is menu location ID which we are using for the menus admin menu sidebar. Here you can see we have the null values. Okay, so what we are going to do here, refresh once and add a new link here having the dynamic icon. Okay, go to create, and here car tracking, URL will be something this, and icon is for car, color will be white, create menu, it's stored. Refresh this. Here you can see here we have that, but the value is not updated. Okay, so once what we will do, we will inspect this and insert the value once again, car tt, link this, and let's see in the model is there any value. Okay, location, menu location ID this, and we don't have icons and color. Okay, that's it. Okay, continue it, go to the links. In the front end we have to check this model, we have to check these values here. Inspect, console, Okay, there is no value found it. Okay, it's link icon, not links icon. Link icon and link icon color, that's it. Remove s from here and also as from here. Save it, refresh the application, remove that unnecessary code, delete from menu link where menu lock id is equal this, and here we have record. Okay, that's good. Let's create. This is menu sidebar. Okay, tracking car, this is the link, fa car, color white, create that, this, and remove this. Now execute. Okay, here we have that. Now we are done in this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will fetch this information and implement in the sidebar. So I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.